Hello student, today in this class we shall discuss ensemble. Now before discussing the ensemble, you must know about a system. What is a system? This can be a collection of a large number of particles is said to be a system. Ensemble, it is a French word which meaning is a group, and in general you can just say that ensemble is a group of large number of systems that are macroscopically identical but essentially independent system. One thing which is coming into mind, that what is the meant by macroscopically identical? So macroscopically identical meaning is to say that each of the system constituting an ensemble satisfy the same macroscopic condition. And what is the macroscopic condition? Means these values, this is volume, energy, pressure, number of particles. These values have the same parameter for all the system consisting an ensemble. And one more thing which comes into what is essentially independent system. Independent system meaning to say that the system constituting an ensemble are mutually non-interacting. So this we can generalize our definition for the ensemble, that ensemble is what? A group of larger number of systems that are macroscopically identical but essentially independent system. I have elaborated these two terms, what is macroscopically identical and what is essentially independent system. Now one more thing you have to just notice down here, this concept as applies to a group of phase points in phase space representing different microstates of a given macrostate taken together as members of an ensemble of systems. This is shown here. This is a phase diagram. You can just have this is Q, this is phase diagram, which is a position coordinate, this is the momentum coordinate, this is phase diagram. Now in this, just there are some dots represented here. What is the dots representing here? This dot represents various microstates of a given macrostate forming members of an ensemble. So in other words, you can just say that a statistical ensemble is what? It is a collection of or a group of large number of exact thought replicas. What is meaning to say replicas of a given macrostate? Meaning to say that with each replica having same state parameters but can find themselves in one of the all possible microstate represented by these points in the phase space for each ensemble. Now in this consequence, different phase points involving in time exploring the allowed phase space can be seen together at the same instant representing members of a group. It is called an ensemble, which is confined to a region in phase space. As time flows, you can just say that each member of this ensemble can acquire any one of the all possible microstates. As time flows, you can say that each member of this ensemble can acquire any one of the all possible microstates which are available. The members of an ensemble, which is also known to be as an element. Which are the members of ensemble? In other words, it is also known as element. Now the concept of ensemble, what it helps in understanding the actual system more completely. This is the proper information we can get from the concept of ensemble, that it is very much helpful in understanding the actual system more completely. Now it represents at one time the microscopic state of actual system which would occur in the course of the time. So in this consequence, we can also say that if you have the knowledge of the statistical behavior of the ensemble, so we can predict the probable behavior of the system which is in our consideration. What it means that? It means that in the ensemble, all systems are microcanonical at the same time. This is one of the more most consequence nature. It means in the ensemble, all the systems are microcanonical at the same time. I will explain why we are saying this microcanonical in the next lecture. In an ensemble, the system plays the same role as the non-interacting molecules do in a gas. Now, ensemble, you can just take the example of the gas. As the gas, there are non-interacting molecules. So, in an ensemble, systems behaves like non-interacting molecules in the gas. Okay, thank you to all. we will some have more aspects about this in the upcoming lectures. Thank you.